And so we have here the blue one, and yeah, the blue one because it's really blue. And we have here your this is your Egyptian god Obelisk the Tormentor. Yeah. And I really remember the word Tormentor. It's a little bit awkward in the early part of the Yu-Gi-Oh, which a little bit awkward, the Tormentor word. And then I don't even know what's the meaning of Obelisk in the early part, because you're just a kid, you just want all those beautiful images of the cards, and that's it. That's what you want. And then you get the card, but again, in my early days in playing Yu-Gi-Oh, I only have unfortunately, I only have those fake cards. I don't even have an original Yu-Gi-Oh until now. But I hope I can have it. I can buy some original next time, because this is one of my let's say in my dreams to have an original one. Even just to have the old ones, which is the basic Yu-Gi-Oh, which is part of Yu-Gi's seasons, Yu-Gi-Moto seasons, and Atem, which is the Pharaoh. So that's it. That's the only cards that I really want to have, because the new Yu-Gi-Oh right now is a little bit very hard. I don't know if it's hard to play, but it's more on complicated ways on how to summon a monster. And we're talking about Yu-Gi-Oh, but let's have this, because this one is really big. This is a really big, as you can see, man, right there. It has this thick box right here, and a very big one. I think they're the same with the size of the dragon, Ring Dragon of Ra. And I already have also the Blue Eyes White Dragon. I even have the Exodia, the Soldier. I forgot, the Curse Soldier. Is that the name? I forgot. But I have here Chaos Soldier. So I have that here. I have already some Yu-Gi-Oh figure standard amplified, but still they're still on my backlogs. But I don't know if this will be on my backlog. But this is big, man. It's a little bit it will take time. But according to the different views that I already saw